Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to create Canva Pro account for free. We can see very difficult tricks on internet, but I will show you a very easy trick how to open a Canva Pro account. Just stay with us and you have to see the full video to open a Canva Pro account for free. Here you can see canva.com. For signing up and create a new account, we need a email. Here we will use temp mail for that our Canva Pro account. For the temp mail, I will search for temp mail. We'll go to the first site tempmail.org. Okay, here you can see our mail will appear. Just simply copy it from there. And go to the canva.com. Here you can see sign up button. We'll click on it. Then click on sign up with email. Put your name on here. You can use your own information or you can use any name here. Then simply paste the copied email. Now choose a password as you want. Now click get started. It's free. Here you will select the personal. Now we can see try Canva Pro for free. We'll click it. Try it free for 30 days. We'll try it for 30 days and then we can renew it with another credit card info and another temp mail. I will show you where we can get credit card info. Go to namosgen.com. You will simply find it namosgen. Here is the website namosgen.com. Go there. A website pops up here. You can see option. We have to put the number on bin. Here you can see my bin number. I will put it on the description. You can copy it from the description. I will put also the URL on the description. Now copy the number from here. You can see the ads. Just simply close it, paste, generate. Here you can see the credit card info comes. We'll simply copy anyone from here and paste it on there. Then month and year. Month. Then the year. Finally the CVC. Okay, we have pasted the CVC. Now you can see we are paying $0 for the Canva Pro, and we will get the Canva Pro for 30 days. After that, you can come up to the thumbnail and pick a thumbnail again um, uh, from clicking a refreshing button on here, and then you can take any credit card info from here and create a new account and just continue it from for lifetime. Now we will claim my free trial. It will load for some times. Our account is ready. You can see our account is ready. Just click maybe later. Skip. You can see you are a pro now. Now we get the Canva Pro account. We can use 75 million plus premium photos, videos, elements. You can create a magic resize background, remove premium animations, whatever you want with Canva Pro. You will get the full facilities of Canva Pro for free for 1 month. After 1 month you can come back here, create a new account with the same web. From here, taking a temp mail and credit card info from there and create a new Canva Pro account. That's how you can use Canva Pro for lifetime. Thanks for watching this. If you really like